that pass between Bong Navarro and Miguel Vera. Bong's pass papunta dito kay Jay Manalo at meron pito. Si Bong nakikipaglokohan na kay Logi Kumpisaya sa showbiz. Bong Navarro, fast break, 3-on-2. Shovels a pass over to Eric Fructoso, who's called for traveling. The FM station, Weekly Sports Digest, the official sports magazine. Mento Pass, Medicated Plaster, the official pain reliever. Molten, the official ball at air. Bong Navarro almost traveled there after receiving the inbound. He is fouled. Bong Navarro losing the ball to Anjo Iliana and tapping that ball out. It's the ball for Tide White. Mga tao. Oh, magka-cartwheel pa si Bong Navarro mamaya dyan, tsaka si Jong.